OpenAI just shipped a huge update for Codex, saying Codex for almost everything. It can now use apps on your Mac. This is for Mac for right now, but you heard that right. It can use apps on your device. That is a huge game changer. You can connect to more of your tools so they have more tool usage and availability and compatibility. You can create images in Codex now. So imagine the possibilities when building in Codex. You don't even have to go to GPT anymore. Like GPT chat is just, okay, I digress. You can still use GPT chat if you don't want to use up your usage limits. But at this point, everything that you could do in GPT, you can do in Codex now times 20, times 30, times 40. You can learn from previous actions now. You can remember how you would like to work now. And you can take on ongoing and repeatable tasks. And my personal favorite, they have browser availability in-app. You have in-app browser availability where Codex can literally see what's going on in the browser. You can talk to it in the browser. This is going to be so massive for debugging and just UI, because we know how important debugging and having the UI look the way we want and not be static and crazy looking and off-putting. This is so exciting. So I want you guys to see this video. Huge game changer here. OpenAI says with computer use on macOS, Codex can now use any app by seeing, clicking, and typing with its own cursor. This right here is what the community has been asking for, what builders have been asking for, what users have been asking for so long, and it's finally here. The growth from 2026 and where we're in now, April, to where we are potentially going is going to be huge. The things that are going to be built with this technology is going to be huge. And I am just very personally excited with what we are seeing here from OpenAI in this new update for Codex. I mean, the possibilities are going to be endless. It runs in the background without taking over your computer, working on tasks like front-end iteration, which is so massive, app testing, which goes hand in hand with the front-end iteration, once again, so massive, or any workflow that doesn't expose an API. I mean, I cannot stress this enough, how awesome this is going to be and how awesome this actually is. I mean, look at this. Image generation in Codex now. Huge capabilities that you can do all from your Codex app. And this is from the app itself. You can generate and iterate on images with GPT image 1.5 in Codex to create front-end designs, mockups, game assets. Let's talk about gaming. You can literally build a game and have the in-game assets be built and created inside Codex. Make them look exactly how you want, all the above and more, without leaving your workflow. I'm just way too excited at this update right here. Automations can now run in the same thread, so Codex can pick up where it left off with the original context intact. It can schedule future work and wake up automatically to continue long-term tasks, from landing open PRs to following up on tasks or staying on top of fast-moving conversations. And like we said, they've added support for 90 plus plugins, so you have more plugin availability, more tool calling availability, more skills that you can give Codex to make it even more powerful and help with your development so much more, help with your projects, help with your efficiency, help with your workflow. This is something that the community has been looking for. Me personally, I've been looking for so long, and it's finally here, giving you more ways to gather context and take action across the tools you already use for docs, project management, code review, creative work, deployments, and so much more. Right now, it's only on Mac though, so I know Windows users, I know you're kind of feeling it. I know you want it to come, and I'm sure it'll come soon, but right now it's only on Mac OS. So if you're on Windows, look out for this, keep an eye out. And so the moment it comes to Windows, hop on it, because this is going to be a game changer for people that are using AI, using Codex, using these workflows. And it's just so many use cases just opened up with this right here. And the time it took to build just shrunk tremendously. The time it took to build things that you're currently building now just decreased tremendously because of the debugging. For me, that'll be the huge thing. The in-app browser is the huge thing. Allowing Codex to be able to see the mistakes, see what's not working, see what needs to be fixed is huge. And it'll save so much usage and usage limits. And then the image generation, being able to generate in-game assets or just images for your websites, for your web apps, for your desktop apps, for your SaaS, for whatever you need, and be able to change and iterate those images all in Codex, not having to bounce back between other image generators. That's huge. So these tools are massive in my opinion. It's here now on Codex for Mac. We know it has to come to Windows soon. Hopefully it comes to Windows soon for you Windows users. But this thing right here is massive. And I'm so excited and so glad that OpenAI shipped this, because this is amazing. Anthropic is shipping. OpenAI is shipping. It doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. And it looks like you're going to have to continue to keep up with what's going on if you want to be able to be up to date with what is going on. Because every single day, it seems like, especially Monday through Friday, usually between the middle of the week, from what I see, there's going to be something that ships. There's going to be some type of new update. And as AI continues to increase, get smarter, and get more capable, these updates are going to come out. Like we just saw Opus 4.7 get dropped today as well. I'm thinking about making a video on that one as well. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to keep up and be up to date with the technology that's coming out now. And if you have any suggestions on videos you want to see in the future, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.